welcome to Robbie's Cuisine. We are going to start a new series called Haitian Favorite Recipes. So a bunch of you guys were asking me to cook Haitian food, so I heard you. So we're starting this series, Haitian Best Recipes. So the first thing I want to teach you guys is how to make some white rice without a fancy rice cooker. There is no need for a rice cooker. There is no need to spend a bunch of money on a rice cooker. All you need is a pot and you can make some delicious white rice. So we are going to make some white rice today. First of all, the first thing you want to do, you want to put some oil in a clean pot. All right, let it be hot. And then what I like to do for my white rice, I like to add some green onions. Just let it, not hot yet. And then I will also put some onions in it, just to give it some flavor, okay? So what you want to do, you want to let it fry a little bit, the green onions and the white onions, you let it fry. The most difficult part, what people have issues with, is the quantity of the water versus the quantity of the rice. So I found a really good technique. What I usually use this cup right here. I measure it. So for 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice equals 2 cups of water. Okay, that's how I do it. So I am going to make 4 cups of rice, so I'm gonna use 8 cups of water. I already measure my water, so I'm just gonna add it on this to the pan. I have 8 cups of water, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, so now all you have to do is let it boil. So we have our water, it's boiling right now. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our rice, okay? So I already have my 4 cups of rice. I added some water to it. I just wash it. And then put the water out. I usually do it like twice. And then I will add the rice to the pot. I'm finishing adding my rice to the pot. And then I will just make sure you stir it up so it won't be stuck on the pot. Okay. And you can also taste the water. Make sure there's enough salt. If you want to add salt, it's the best time to go ahead and do it. So just let it boil until it's done. The rice is cooked. There's no more water in the pot. So what you want to do, you want to put your stove on a low setting. Then you can go ahead and stir up your rice. And then just make sure you cover your pot and let it stay on the stove for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. So now we're gonna uncover our pot and see how our rice look. It looks really good. Then you can take the green onions out, like put it on the side and you can take it out. This is the final result of our white rice recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. See you next time.